Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Google Nest device to factory settings step by step clearly. To restore your Google Nest device to factory settings, begin by locating the device. Ensure the device is plugged in and powered on. For most Google Nest devices, look for the mute button, usually located on the back. Press and hold the mute button for at least 15 seconds. You will hear a confirmation sound once the device is in the process of resetting. After hearing the sound, release the button. If you have a Nest Hub or Nest Hub Max, you may need to tap and hold the volume buttons on the back of the device instead of the mute button. Wait for the device to reset, which may take a few minutes. Once complete, the device will restart and announce that it's resetting to factory settings. After the reset, you will need to set up your device as if it were new. To do this, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your device again. Make sure your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi network before starting the setup. Once the setup is complete, your Google Nest device will be ready for use. Remember, restoring to factory settings will erase all your preferences and data. Ensure you back up any important information before proceeding with the reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.